Do you love making stickers but hate cutting them by hand with a pair of scissors? Or do you want to print high quality photos at home without any hassle? Now you can do both with one super cool device. Meet the Liene PixCut S1, the world's first smart all-in-one printer that combines photo printing, thermal lamination, and precise sticker cutting in one compact machine. No tricky setup needed. It prints and cuts your stickers with AI auto cutting and prints beautiful photos in no time. It's perfect for hobbyists or small businesses looking to create custom stickers, labels, phone skins, passport photos, and more. And even if you're a beginner crafter, you can be up and running with this machine in no time. A big thanks to Liene for sponsoring this video. The PixCut S1 is one of the easiest machines to unbox and set up. Inside the box are instructions that are well written and easy to follow. It comes with a package of 4x7-inch sticker paper and 4x6-inch photo paper. There's also a thermal dye sublimation ink cartridge that can print about 36 prints. Not only does it contain the colors cyan, magenta, and yellow, but it also includes the lamination material inside the cartridge as well. Of course, there's a power cord and then the machine itself. It weighs about 6.4 pounds and measures about 11 inches long by 7.7 inches by 4.1 inches. That's small, making it easy to move around your craft room or anywhere you want to work. Before you get started with setting this machine up, be sure to remove all the blue tape. You'll need to remove the magnetic front cover to get to the tape that's there and remove the cardboard. There's blue tape on the paper cartridge located in the back. And then there's also a piece on the side. The front cover is magnetic, which I think is really nice, and the machine has a fine point blade already installed. If you need to remove it or replace it, just unclamp it from the housing, pull it out, and then put it back in and close the clamp. It's designed to last. You should be able to get 800 stickers before needing to replace it. As far as setup goes, you install the ink cartridge on the left side. Just open the door and then insert the cartridge. It only goes in one way, and then close the door, and you're done. It does thermal dye sublimation printing at 300 dpi, producing high quality prints. The paper tray in the back holds both 4.6-inch photo paper and 4.7-inch sticker paper. Press the blue lever to install the larger size. Putting the paper tray back in the top slot is just a place to store it. When you're ready to print, you'll put in either the photo paper or the sticker paper, then place the tray in the bottom slot. Easy. You'll be printing and cutting in no time with no manual setup and no calibration. It's easy to download the app. Simply scan the QR code in the user manual. The app works with Android and iOS devices. You connect to the machine via Bluetooth and the app walks you through all the steps. To get started, you'll need to plug in your machine and then press and hold the button for a few seconds till it starts flashing. Then you're able to complete that Bluetooth connection because it flashes blue and you'll know that it's ready to pair. The app is one of the easiest ones I've used. It comes with a lot of images and templates that you can use and customize. In the app, to show you how easy it is, I started a new canvas and I decided to do a sticker template using one of their templates. So I just selected decorative stickers, scrolled down until I found something that I like, which happened to be rainbow stickers. I selected them and simply sent them to the machine. Before I started, I went in and pulled out the paper tray in the back and loaded in my sticker paper, and that would be the 4x7 sticker paper, and you have to pull that little blue lever down to get it to fit in properly. And then I simply installed that paper tray in the bottom slot of the machine and it was ready to go. Once it starts printing, it prints yellow first and then pulls the paper back in before it prints the second color, which is magenta. All the colors are stored in the ink cartridge along with the lamination. The third color it prints is the cyan blue color. And from there, it pulls it back in again and laminates the sticker. Once the lamination finishes, it pulls it around to the front of the machine and starts the cut process. It's doing a scan to know where it cuts. It's using that AI scan feature to find the cut lines, and it starts working, all without having to do any calibration. It's a little hard to see here, but the cut lines are perfect and it has just the right amount of offset or white space around each one of the stickers. It was easy to peel the stickers off of the backing and place them on my glass tumbler here. You can see that the offset or the white space around each sticker is perfect. I went ahead and placed a bunch of these on my glass to kind of cover it. before I took it over to the sink because I wanted to show you that they are truly waterproof. They're waterproof, they're fade resistant, and they're scratch resistant. I then went back in the app and wanted to show you how easy it is to make custom stickers. I started yet another blank canvas and I used the upload button on the bottom to locate a few of my images. It's easy to drag one of the corners to resize your image. You can also crop it. It's super easy to do that with this tool. Make it what you want it to be. And then click the check mark when you're done with the cropping. And it also has an AI background remover and will remove that background for you in just a click of a button. So I went ahead and pulled in a bunch of different images that I had that I wanted to show you how well they print and how easy it is to load them in, and of course crop or remove the background if you wanted to. You can easily duplicate any one of the images you want, move them around on the canvas to get it exactly the way you'd like your stickers to look. I'm telling you, this app is super easy to use. There is one thing to be careful of. You do have your borders. That white frame is your canvas. So if you push anything off to the left or the right of that white border, it's going to not print, just like I did here. And I went ahead and sped this up, but there is the yellow layer, the pink layer, the magenta layer, and the cyan layer before it does the lamination, and then pulls it to the front, reads it, and then does the cutting. The cover can be on or off when you're using it. It's a little hard to see the cut lines, but again, the offset of the white space around the stickers turned out perfect. I then wanted to try a photo, so I did a photo collage. I first removed the tray in the back, took out the sticker paper, and added the photo paper. In the app, I started a photo collage, and there are different categories of photo collages you can use, but I selected 3 images and then click the next button, and here you can click which template you'd like to use. I went ahead and settled on this one, and I wanted to show you how you can move images around, and you can size them, move them, crop them, whatever you want to do. So I did that here. I moved this one around, I cropped it, I zoomed in on this one a little bit, and moved the one to the right back to where it was centered on the image. And there it prints. It prints exactly the same way, yellow, magenta, cyan. But instead of laminating and going to the forward, it laminates and just drops it in the back. And your picture is done. The colors pop, they're super vibrant. I really like how this printed these. And then you take the perforated edges off. You've got a photo collage you can stick on your fridge, give it to a friend, mail it, whatever you want to do. Are you looking to make labels for school, work, or home? No problem. You can select from a variety of label styles and easily edit the text, format it before sending it over to be printed, all within this app. This is a great way to organize, for me, my glitter. So, what did I love and not love about the Liene PixCut S1? Well, let me tell you, first of all, the setup was super easy. It really boiled down to installing the ink cartridge and the paper in the back, and you're done. It's small and portable, allowing you to carry it, move it around the house or your craft room with ease. The color of the prints and the stickers are perfect, and the colors are so vibrant. There's no need for a separate printer and cutting machine. The Liene PixCut S1 is an all-in-one unit. It makes making stickers much faster and easier. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We're putting new content out all the time. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.